Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a shining light video effect on CapCut PC. So we are going to go to effects and we are going to go to comic, and you're just going to select neon for this. Then you are going to go to shadow, which is here, and we're going to add in the angel effect, which is over there somewhere. Oh, here it is. Then you are going to go to media and you're going to just import like any color you want the kind of glow to be. I'm just going to choose red for this, and then you're going to just choose a blend mode. I think I might use either, let's just choose linear burn for this one. Then we're just going to export that. After you've exported that, delete all the things we just added to the video. And then we're going to import that video here. I'm just going to add it to the timeline. And then we're going to just go to blend mode and choose brighten, or you can also choose screen and you can adjust the opacity there. And as you can see, he has some like red glow to it, like so. And that is basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!